Have you ever thought about making money while binge watching your favorite shows? Well, today might just be your lucky day. This video isn't just any guide. It's like going on an exciting journey to learn a brand new strategy that could make you up to $600 a day. Yes, you heard that right. And you're probably curious about how it works. It's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is watch YouTube videos, something you probably already do every day. This method is perfect for beginners because it doesn't require any money up front, and anyone around the world can do it. Interested? Then keep watching as we dive into all the details. Let's start with a simple scenario. Picture your mobile phone and an internet connection as your ticket to making money. Intrigued? I'll walk you through a 3-step process that's as easy as grabbing your phone. Before you brush it off as just another online scheme, hold on a second. Your phone could actually be the key to earning up to $600 a day. How? Stick around as we dive into the first step, which is simpler than you might think. Step 1 is straightforward. You'll need your mobile phone or any device you have. This method is flexible. You can use your phone or computer, whichever suits you best. We're not talking about endless scrolling here. Instead, I'm talking about watching short YouTube videos that can earn you up to $3 per view. In step 2, all you have to do is hit play and watch these short YouTube videos. As I mentioned earlier, each video you watch could bring in up to $3. Think about it. Watching 20 videos could easily earn you $60. And if you watch 200 videos in a day, that's a quick $600. But we're not stopping there. Let's talk about cashing out, and I'll show you how. Once you've finished enjoying your YouTube binge, it's time to cash out your earnings. When your earnings reach $7, you can easily cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, or eGift cards. To proceed, simply scroll down and click on the button provided. The cash out process is super easy, ensuring that your hard-earned dollars are in your hands as quickly as possible. Sounds simple, right? You can earn cash just by completing simple activities anytime, anywhere, in any country. And the best part? It's 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything. Stay tuned because in a moment, we'll introduce you to this platform so you can start earning the cash that's waiting for you. This earning opportunity isn't just about watching videos. It's about transforming your time into a money-making machine. Once you start watching a video, you'll likely end up watching more and more until you lose track. And remember, there's a special bonus waiting for you at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around and watch all the way through. Now, let me introduce you to the platform that's turning viewers into earners. This website isn't just a gateway, it's a portal to endless possibilities. And here's the best part. You don't need to invest any money at all. To kick things off, head over to the website called gg2u.org. This is where your new earning journey begins. The best part? It's completely free. No upfront investment needed. You can earn money by taking surveys, playing games, and more. But today, we're focusing on the money-making world of video watching. And here's a bonus. Just for signing up, you'll receive a sweet $1 bonus. It's a welcoming gesture to a world where watching videos means making money. Let me guide you through the sign-up process and get you started on your earning journey. As you sign up, you'll instantly receive a $1 bonus, giving you a nice incentive right from the start. Simply enter your basic details like your first name, email address, username, create a password, and select your country. Once you've signed up, you're good to go. This platform welcomes users from all around the world, making it an inclusive opportunity for everyone. Here's what makes this platform stand out. Its high payout rates. Forget about the standard 40 to 60% rates offered elsewhere. This platform is stepping up the game with rates ranging from 65% to 85%. Once you're inside, the dashboard becomes your command center. It's not just about watching videos. It's about exploring the earning potential through various offers from legitimate companies worldwide. Are you ready to see the possibilities unfold? Follow me through. When you log in, the dashboard welcomes you with multiple offers and ways to earn coins and points, which then convert into dollars. Explore the earning potential through various offers from legitimate companies worldwide. However, for our focus today, we're honing in on the most lucrative and straightforward option, watching YouTube videos. Head to the video section where every 200 points earned gets you a silver token. What's great about it? Well, It adds $1 to $3 to your account balance. But that's not all. You get to choose from an array of video categories like food, music, viral, and gaming, just to name a few. Before you dive into watching these videos, remember to turn off your ad blocker. You'll need to earn video points for the ads that are shown. Additionally, the website requires you to join Pixel Point. When you create your account, you can accumulate Pixel Point points. You'll need at least 9 points to redeem them for GG2U video points. To do this, simply click the Redeem Balance button on the Pixel Point website. It's recommended to watch the videos directly from the Pixel Point website. Follow these steps to connect your Pixel Point account to your GG2U account. Step 1. Ensure your web browser is set to always accept cookies. Step 2. Log into your GG2U account and immediately click on our orange and black videos button to be taken to the page. Step 3. Log into your Pixel Point account again, and it should automatically recognize your GG2U account. Make sure it displays your GG2U username on the Pixel Point website. If it doesn't work, try these steps again using a different web browser. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start earning cash through these videos. Pretty neat, huh? Now for our viewers and subscribers, here's the bonus you've been waiting for. It's not just about sticking to one category. It's about exploring them all simultaneously. I'll spill the beans on how to maximize your earnings without being chained to your screen for hours. Ready for a game-changing tip? Open multiple tabs or use different devices to multitask and boost your earnings. If you have spare devices lying around like phones, tablets, laptops, or even your smart fridge, put them all to work. This way, you can double your earnings because you won't need to watch every second of every video. Just let them play in the background while you go about your day, and voila, you're making money effortlessly. Your free time equals more money earned. That concludes this video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.